Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And the first thing I want to show you is of course an AI feature. So if you are receiving messages and you want to copy just a part of it, like an address or something like this, it was always pretty difficult. But now you're having this feature here called AI Select. Let me show you how you can use it. So I've prepared already a text message here. And if I want to copy now this part here, give me a like. Then I just swipe out the sidebar, tap on AI Select, and now I just mark, give me a like this. So, and after I go just here on the text symbol on top, and it is marked. Pretty nice. Now I can copy it, I can work on it, and yeah, pretty nice tool. The next feature I want to show you is this one here. It is called Now Brief and it gives you an overview over the day. Especially in the morning, it's pretty interesting because then you see the weather, you see your calendar entries, and you are really prepared for the day. Pretty nice as well is you will have this point as well here on the lock screen, and you just tap on it and you're then directly here at Now Brief, and it will tell you the weather and calendar entries and so on. And yeah, and if you're wearing a smartwatch, then it gives you some impressions, yeah, how is your health and so on. So a pretty nice tool. So the phone is when you actually here at me, that's the reason why there's two less, but here you will see a lot. And in the evening you can see as well a summary. You can tap here always during the day and we'll have a summary over the day. Pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is for the gallery. Because you can let run here videos in slow motion. I've created already a video with our little friend. He's jumping around, and if I long press now the screen, he's jumping in slow motion. So this is pretty nice if you want to have detail here in the video. And crazy is also, I've recorded this video with just 30 FPS, so just 30 frames per second. And the AI is adding more frames. So pretty crazy. And if I leave now my finger, we will have the real speed again. And by the way, you can save the slow motion here as well, separately. Pretty nice. For the next video I want to show you, I've created a new video here because I want to show you how to remove background noises here. So there's an audio eraser already here at the phone. And yeah, let's go to the video I've just created. So I've increased the volume of the TV, so it was pretty loud. And if I want to remove now these background noises, just tap here on the stars. So this is, by the way, the Galaxy AI symbol. And then the phone is detecting the audio here, the background, and separated in voices and noises. If you want to decrease now the volume here, then just swipe like this, and then you're having just 15% of these noises. You can tap also on auto, then it is going by its own, but it leaves always 10% of the background noises. If you want to mute them completely, just tap here on mute and no, yeah, like this. And then the background noises are 100% muted. What you can do as well is, if you tap on voices, you can also make them louder. The other direction here, then we have increased them now for 40% from the volume. If you're ready, just tap here on save copy, and the phone is making a copy of that video with less background noises, and yeah, in our case, with a louder voice. Let's see if it works.
Hello.
Oops.
I've increased the TV, so the volume of the TV a bit because I want to check.
So it is much better than before. Another nice AI feature is to summarize some, like at your notes or at the web page. I've opened here the biography of Mohammed Salah, and if you want to know more about him, just check it out here at Wikipedia. And yeah, you can summarize these stuff. If it's too long for you, just tap on the stars and tap on summarize, and the phone will give you just the main stuff of his career. And you can read as well the highlights aloud. If you tap here, then yeah, so first of all, access here, just tap on allow, and then the phone is giving you the summarize in audio. And you can jump here to another chapter and so on. You can jump back and so on. You can increase the speed now. So on you have all the most important stuff. You can even hear translate some stuff if you want. So a pretty nice tool. So just check it out. Another nice AI feature is for pictures and videos and so on, because it can detect items or faces. It is called Circle to Search. Maybe you've heard already about it. So if we're having on our web page the photo of Mohamed Salah, you can just long press here the home button, and then you have enabled Circle to Search. So just mark his face, and the phone will tell you who it is. It is Mohamed Salah, the football player, and you have also related links and so on to his profile. So pretty nice. And if you want to know which jacket he is wearing, then also long press the home button and just mark his jacket, and the phone will gives you the jacket and it calls you, hey, this is from the Egyptian national team and so on. You can even directly buy it and so on. So a pretty nice mode. The next feature I want to show you is to split the screen. And hey, why not? The screen is large enough to let run 2 apps here at the same time. Maybe, for example, here you can watch a YouTube video while checking something else here on the internet. Let me show you a bit more about. Let's open YouTube, like our example. It could be also another app. And then you take 2 fingers and swipe them from below to the middle of the screen, and you have split the screen. And now you can choose here from below what you want to have here. Now let's keep going on with our example here, the internet browser. And now I'm having here on top YouTube. I can watch a video right now while checking something else here on a web browser. But don't wonder if it doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable this feature first. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then you hear the control center. And the part of the control center is always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And you will have the point Multi-Window. And you can enable now the first points, swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. So that's marked blue. And that means whenever you open now an app like YouTube, or it could be also another app, as I've said, then take 2 fingers, swipe them from below to the middle of the screen, and the screen is splitted. Now you can choose from many stuff here, also games and so on. It works as well, or here the internet browser and so on. And if you need, by the way, more space for YouTube, then go here to the 3 points at the middle, swipe them a bit below, then you have more space for the app on top. Or if you need more space for the app below, just swipe it up like that, and then you have more space here. If you want to have the app here on the lower screen or on the full screen, with full screen mode, then just swipe it up or down as you want. And then I'm having now in our case the lower window at full screen. So pretty nice. But you can go a bit further, because you can open apps as well in a floating window, so in a pop-up. Let me show you how this works. Let's keep going on with our example YouTube here, and then take your finger and swipe them now in from the corner. Just gently make the square you want to have it as a pop-up, and then you have now YouTube open at a pop-up. And now you can do your stuff at the background, what you want to do. By the way, on the blue bar here, you can put it on any position here, if you hold it and move it to another position. So pretty nice. And if you want to delete it, just tap on the blue bar again, and just tap on the X, and it will disappear. So many opportunities here with the phone. The next thing I want to show you is pretty crazy, because you can have with one phone 2 phones. So a phone with 2 spaces. Maybe one space for your private stuff and the other space for your business stuff. Or one space for your private stuff and the other space for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, then tap on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Security and Privacy. Here you will need now the point More Security Settings. And finally, you will need now here the Secure folder. So just tap on Continue, and then you have to enter your Samsung account. But I recommend to you to have it already, because without you can't use the Galaxy AI features. So, and if you have your Samsung account here, you can register it with your Google address, by the way. Then just tap here on continue. And the phone is creating the secure folder. This takes a few seconds. This is the reason why I will forward the video right now. Okay, we are back, and at the next step we will need the lock type here. And if you want to have the pin, password, or pattern. So I'm more the fan of the pin. And yeah, let me take here 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. After, just tap here on continue or done. No? So he's angry now because my code is too simple, no? But I will use it anyway. So now confirm this code again. So yours, no? In my case it was 4 times 9. Please take yours, as I said, and tap then on OK or done. No? Okay. Allow lock reset with Samsung account. Tap on allow, no? Because if you forget your PIN or your pattern or your password, you can have it back with your Samsung account. Okay, you can add as well fingerprints, no? But you can do it later. So just tap on your next. And now here we are at a secure folder. It's a complete independent place from the main space. So all the pictures we are taking here now with this camera are only visible here at the gallery at a secure folder. We will have our own internet browser. So all the browsers, all the websites you're surfing on, they're only visible here at the browser history at a secure folder. You can have your own contact list, you can have your own files, own notes, as well only calendar entries here, only visible at your secure folder. And the plus symbol here, you have also the chance to have your own apps here at the secure folder. You can choose from your existing apps, or you can download a new one, complete new one here from the Play Store, and it will be only visible here at a secure folder. Let me show you how you can belong to this secure folder. So yeah, we are now here back to our main space, and if you want to go to the secure folder, just swipe up here to the app drawer where all the apps are, and here you will find the secure folder. So pretty easy, huh? But hey, why he's not asking for the pin code right now? Yes, he's just asking for the pin code if you turn off your screen. So if you say, okay, you want to have a better security, then just tap here on the 3 points, go here on the settings, then auto lock secure folder, and choose the first one. Now, each time you leave an app, the secure folder will be automatically locked. If you say you don't want to have that pin code off, then just take the last one here. No? Just when the phone restarts, so if you turn off your phone and turn it on again, then he will ask for the pin. So choose what you want to have. Okay. If you have already data here on your phone, which one belongs to the secure folder, like here the gallery or also at the own files and so on, then yeah, like yeah, our little friend here. If you say, okay, this video belongs to the secure folder, then just long press it. By the way, you can mark now also other ones. Let me mark this one here as well. And then just go here on more and go here to move to secure folder. And our little friend will be removed here from our gallery at the main space. So he's disappeared now here. But if I'm going now here to the secure folder, he is here. So pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is for the camera, or 200 MP cam here at the phone. But do you know that you don't use the full 200 MP? You're just using 12 megapixels here at the camera. If you want to have the maximum, then let's go into the camera and you will see here the 12M. By the way, the screen is dark because the camera under rear. Okay, tap here on the 12M, what means 12 megapixels. You can change now to 50 megapixels or to 200 megapixels. You cannot zoom in completely here. You just do a 10 times zoom, but it's absolutely okay, to be honest. And another thing is the light conditions should be okay. Yeah, it should be not too dark, and you have to hold your camera pretty steady. But then you have pretty nice pictures. But it takes a lot of storage. You should mind that. And yeah, so with bad light conditions, you choose 12 megapixels or 50 megapixels. You can try it out a bit. And yeah, so the pictures are nice anyway, but if you want to have the fullest resolution, change it here to 200 megapixels. Pretty nice to know. And of course, I want to show you something for the S Pen, even if it's from the technology reduced, so there's no Bluetooth anymore, but it's still cool. Let's open here the S Pen Mini. Let's go here on Drawing Assistant. And you can draw something what is pretty more detailed with the pen. Like if you want to draw a flower, you're not that good like me, then you can generate AI pictures, like like a 3D cartoon here. What's the best usually? You just go on generate, and the phone will create now your picture with that flower and makes it beautiful like that. Yeah, this is what I have painted now. So you can also have other features here like oil painting. So pretty nice. So you can do a lot of with that. And yeah, just check it out. You will love it. As I've said, you have not so much tools here, but you're more detailed with the pen. So you have also the AI select, what we have seen at the beginning, that you can mark something, a text or something like this. And that's also more detailed with the pen. What I like as well, if you go on add here, you can add more features and like a translate tool here, which one could translate a part of the page. You can magnify some and so on. So just check it out. As well, pen up is pretty cool. Yeah, just check it out a bit, and yeah, pretty nice. I hope I could help you and show you here 10 nice tips and tricks for the phone, and maybe you have more cool tips here. You can leave them in the comments if you want. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, I've created also some other videos for the phone if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.